will not allow anyone to tear We will march as a department with everybody in this community. I will march until I can't stand no more.
We want to be with y'all for real. So I took the helmet off and laid the batons down. I want to make this a parade, not a protest.
When it down this video, just help me touch and maybe get more things to talk for this place when you listen to. But we get what you want to try to solve. Policemen want to ask questions about our country. What would they see from under country? When we travel to everything. We want to try to ask questions. What's our leaders, our papa and mama they do for that side? Now to carry our money go head for that side, or to carry our things go head for that side, move the suffer who they do. That be the question we want to ask today. He gave video when we want to show today because everybody don't know what's they happen for this. And this time around now, this 2020. Because you get one second effect when they come at coronavirus. Another one they happen now for the state of America. When this man, everybody know. You get the video when they see from side by side. When they see from. You see how the police they advise the youth to make the youth calm down, even lay down for the youth, and they give better talk to the youth for them to stop the things what they do because what happen for the country. The question when we want to ask today, what they use first, with the youth, we get that question to even do that thing when this man American people they do today. We even get that love for ourselves to do that thing when this man American people they do today. Okay, too, if we even get the corporation, the short say we not still get some of them when they will go disappoint us tomorrow, when they will go collect money for our back, come fight against us. My brother, me, I don't know. I'm not just talking about all the Nigeria, I'm talking about the whole Africa.
Because this is our city.
We don't have to do that.
Too, and I don't see my brother for social media and say it requires say he needs the Nigeria footballer to join him to plan this club when this man they will open for Africa. But nobody don't come outside now saying you want to support this our brother. He thought say the European League they do them anyhow. They do them races. They do them what they like. But he can stand up say, he get Africa people they get money well.
The only reason we're
if they
here
pay
is
them,
to
they
make sure
cry,
that you got
try
a
they come
voice.
for your
That's
face.
it.
So they pay them, they support and do this thing. So that
Don't
we
think
get
for a
league
second
for
that he
Africa.
represents who these cops
But
are from
nobody
all over the
can
county
stand up.
and around this nation.
I
What's
did
up?
hear say
So listen, I'm just telling you,
get
these
of
cops
egg.
love you.
I say you want to live out for the whole Nigeria, they give Nigeria, they chop. My brother, what did they happen to Africa? How we not get this love and unity and this cooperation and to make Africa better? If they talk about what they live for this life, now we get them. But we they pack and come Europe, they pack and go America, pack and go Asia. But now we get them. If you are talking about gas in Africa a day, you are talking about food in Africa a day, now kerosene in Africa a day, anything, any resources, any mineral resources in Africa a day. What did they happen to Africa? Why we don't get this cooperation and unity and love for ourselves? See this video and this is so. Police they address the youth for them to stop what they do because they know the economic of America down. For them to say they want to shoot gun, but they calm down. They say they did their rights. They address them for them to stop this issue. Even promise them, say, okay, they'll follow them. Riots, enter streets, go do anything they want to do, but may they not destroy anything. It's a promise. Which our Africa police or our African soldier, when you will say because you to destroy something, you want even leader for you to beg youth. Or you want you leader for say citizen, beg them, say me they stop this thing. And I see waiting they happen. Our governors are just tired. I don't know what is happened to Africa. The president of America declared say anybody when they destroy the state, may they shoot am. But the government stand up say they are not in support of all those things. But if na Nigeria or Africa, when president don't make announce, the governor not get voice again instead of the masses. They start to do anyhow. See Fulani X-Men because say they be now that they on top now they enter everywhere. Even the president declare say may each state give them land to do their cow business, and they no state fit even argue that issue. Why some people don't they give now? And I mean that they fool everywhere, they destroy everything. It can't be say president the governor not get voice to talk again. Now they don't do something now that the youth, now they use, they do all those things, then they pay me for body. Adamo Shomo now all they come in those states now they talk say Abasaki not go again, he not go do this one. Not be say you get the power on you. They look the youth who want use, you don't already settle them. Don't they arrange them now? Youth, what did they happen to now? We not feel corporate. Say our brother when even stand up say you want fight for youth. He say youth, you come from America to still even come say, okay, we will get the right of ourselves as a citizen. But nobody support them. People that support them, they not even many. Why? Because you they collect 2,000, 3,000, 5,000 when you want to buy something. No. My brother, more cooperate. More make Nigeria better. More make Nigeria go up. More with the masses, the youth to get voice for our country. With the Europe, with the problem, we still come our country with the problem. What they happen? For Europe, they see police they accuse citizens of Europe. It can never happen. But when they fall in and when they Europe, they accuse us for what we don't know and what we know. You still even go to your country, they'll still accuse you for what you don't know and what you know. Okay, now they Europe, we still they pass through stress. Mostly say we want to come our country now, come relax, come still follow our papa, mama, and dress more. You see say our government, they chase us up and down, they disturb us. What it be the youth problem? Me I never they talk about our papa and mama and the youth. I beg the youth. More join together, do this thing. May it work for us. If you youth do they unite together, you see say leaders not get voice again. Like for example now, youth they has. You tell your papa, your mama say, see what you want to do as their son or their daughter. They go support you. Or you when they abroad, they Europe here when I did so, or they America, anywhere where you did, you know the country, our country. You call your papa say, see what you want to do, you talk to him. He go follow you. With the youth say we never fell in love ourselves. See the leaders when we still get for the Europe when they say I will take all the leader because why? They fit get document, they fit carry house. Okay, now you know they camp again. You can't say you want find one room for their hand rent. You they pay 300 for house for a month. They pay library, pay different bill. You even see me they give you paper of the house, make to renew your document. They not go green. They will tell you say may you go. They will go show you one man. May he do for you. May you give him money. You when they do that one, just more power when you get. What if you can't do the higher post as a president or as a chairman of local government or as a governor of state or as a one of posts in Nigeria when they see better money? What will you even do? So more power when you even get for the Europe. You know they do anyhow. Me I not just understand what they happen to Africa. More coordinate, more make this peace and unity for ourselves. I beg all of us, more try come together. Because this program to make youth better, maybe this program. We don't want to do this program, say, if you not say, better, waiting on good, now they show for this program, or now they talk for this program. You'll see many people, they comment, they do, but we they talk better thing. We never see how we want to arrange this thing together. Only with they coming, people coming for phone and bros after one friend. I don't need that one, you ain't know me. So they like me say I want to you want to make knows we get together for this program. More talk your mind. Not they talk to me for corner. More talk your mind for the program. More people see they talk their mind for the program. More see what we will fit do when the youth will take unite together, so that we will get love and unity for ourselves. After this love and unity, when we talk, we get the Nigeria Association. When we hope, when we get for Sicily, for Messina, we get this Nigeria Association. We see that this love and unity we try to create for the Nigeria Association, for the races when Italy do us, for people when they work, when they don't they pay, for different things, for job opportunity. We try and run this union for Messina, Sicily, for Capo Rolando in Messina. Now we try to do this program, this love and unity, and we don't get about 20 people, but we still need more people to join us so that we'll get power for the land, and we'll register the union so that anytime when our brothers cry come and say they're not paying but they get contract, or if they work for person, no one give a contract, we still know what we will do, and we will try to get lawyer when we want help us, because say we never to get population, we never have register, and we try to make arrangements from people to join us. And if you know say you dey Messina, anywhere where you dey for Sicily, you will feel join this union. You feel recruit us for Messina, Capo Rolando. Anywhere when you just say you dey go for Messina, Capo Rolando, you'll see us, just ask, you dey go Mavecino, they will know where you dey go. But now we never dey give number hearts because of one or two things, because we never see una corporation. For they give number hearts when una call. Very soon we'll give number hearts when they call. Abeg, this meeting really dey important to everybody when dey land of Messina, because na unity we wan try make for that Messina, for that union won't open, because we get many places when this person go work, they no go pay. You will dey work for person, he will give you contract, he no go pay you, and they work extra hours. All those things we don't go corporate. We don't go corporate for Questora finish. But only what we need now to register the union to make it work, so that anything happen like that, we feel rave voice. Now understand? So that we feel rave voice, they do all those things. We beg now. As you see this program, I'm try follow, so that more make arrangement together. And if you still dey interested of that meeting, maybe still try follow us. Now do well, now good evening. Now thank you. We'll see tomorrow. We'll talk another thing tomorrow. May not try to subscribe for this channel. May God bless all of you now.